You don't have to spend a fortune to elevate the aesthetic appeal of your home. Inexpensive yet effective tweaks, such as replacing outdated light fixtures, applying a fresh coat of paint, or engaging in creative upcycling of thrifted items and DIY projects for custom curtains, can bring a touch of affordable luxury to your living space. Let's delve into these simple yet impactful tricks that can transform your home without breaking the bank. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel GIEGIA Home Organization. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Fake custom curtains. Custom drapery is often considered a luxury, but it significantly contributes to giving a home a finished and upscale look. Instead of investing heavily in custom drapes, consider a strategic approach to hanging your curtain rods. Place them midway between the top of the window frame and the crown molding or ceiling, ensuring the drapery gracefully touches the floor. Interior designer Bethany Adams of Bethany Adams Interiors recommends this method, stating that by mimicking the way a custom workroom hangs drapery, your room will exude the same quiet luxury as a professionally done job. To achieve a similar effect without the hefty price tag, purchase silk or velvet panels from various retailers and install the rods yourself. 2. Repaint the room in a high-gloss finish. While it may be labor-intensive, repainting a room is undeniably one of the most cost-effective methods to undergo a complete transformation. Jason Saff, founder and CEO of Stage to Sell Home, recommends painting certain rooms in a high-gloss finish to achieve a lacquer-like quality. He particularly admires Farrow & Ball's highly durable full-gloss finish, asserting that it provides an instant way to turn any room into a luminous jewel box. Despite the effort involved, the results are unparalleled, offering a sophisticated and radiant ambiance that elevates the entire living space. 3. Layer your rugs. Discontent with your existing flooring? Whether you're a renter or lack the budget for a complete flooring overhaul, rugs can serve as invaluable tools to enhance the perceived luxury of your home's interior. Rugs not only conceal the flaws of existing flooring, but also introduce depth and cohesion. Bethany Adams advises incorporating an area rug to create a sense of collection and completion, preventing the room from feeling cluttered. Choose rugs that add interest through pattern or texture, or introduce a captivating color to the space. Regardless of your choice, ensure the rug size aligns with the dimensions of the room, anchoring the furniture effectively. 4. Choose furniture that fits the space. Regardless of your furniture budget, selecting high-quality pieces that align with the dimensions of your space is paramount. Interior designer Daniela Villamil emphasizes the importance of avoiding furniture that is either too large or too small, as well as being cautious of items prone to falling apart within a short time frame. A thoughtful consideration of the accessories and art pieces in the room is equally vital. Proper fitting and correct hanging height contribute to a cohesive and visually appealing interior. By adhering to these principles, you can create an environment that exudes a timeless and sophisticated allure, regardless of your budget constraints. 5. Rescue and upgrade furniture. The selection of furniture can consume a significant portion of your budget. Rather than opting for mass-produced, inexpensive matching sets from big-box stores, which can convey an air of mediocrity, consider exploring the realm of second-hand furniture. Keep an eye out for pieces that boast both beauty and sturdiness. With a bit of elbow grease through sanding, staining, or painting, you can entirely transform the look of a piece. Alternatively, having outdated or worn used furniture, professionally reupholstered breathes new life into your furnishings. Embrace the world of secondhand shopping, exploring used marketplaces, consignment shops, or thrift stores to uncover remarkable pieces at discounted prices, requiring minimal or no restoration efforts. 6. Swap outdated lighting. Illuminate your home with updated light fixtures to instantaneously enhance its perceived value. Jason Saft describes lighting as the jewelry of the home, capable of adding much-needed drama and height to a room. An oversized fixture strategically placed can showcase high ceiling height and draw attention throughout the space. Furthermore, well-designed lighting can introduce much-needed brightness to darker areas. To optimize your budget, concentrate on focal spots such as the dining room light, kitchen island lighting, entryway light, or bathroom lighting. These strategic updates can redefine the atmosphere and visual impact of your living spaces. 7. Rethink your throw pillow collection. While the inclination to accumulate throw pillows is understandable, Bethany Adams advises a moment of reflection on your growing collection. Drawing a parallel with candles, easy and inexpensive gifts or impulse purchases that can accumulate quickly, she suggests exercising restraint. Rather than piling every pillow you've ever bought onto your sofa simultaneously, take a discerning approach. Discard items that don't align with your style, set aside seasonal throw pillows for later use, and experiment with various combinations to discern what works best for your desired aesthetic. 8. Nix unnecessary excess building. Upon the notion of thoughtful curation, take a moment to reassess your home and eliminate any unnecessary excess. While advocating for a minimalist approach isn't obligatory, the process of editing your existing collections allows your cherished pieces to shine more prominently. Donate items that no longer resonate with your aesthetic or fail to spark joy, creating space for a more intentional and curated living environment. 9. Incorporate stone accessories. Embrace the epitome of luxury with high-end, earthy stone accents. While incorporating the latest stone finishes into kitchens and baths may be financially challenging for some, Jason Saft proposes an alternative approach. By introducing furniture and accessories crafted from or featuring stone, you can infuse a sense of opulence throughout your home without exceeding your budget. Everyday items like consoles, side tables, and trinket dishes, when crafted from stone, can be strategically placed in high-traffic areas, maximizing their visual impact and contributing to an overall sense of luxury. 10. Upgrade your hardware. Extend the lifespan of your existing furniture and cabinetry by swapping out outdated hardware for modern alternatives. This simple yet effective upgrade can significantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Beautiful pulls, knobs, and handles are readily available at affordable prices from numerous home goods stores or online marketplaces. This budget-friendly adjustment ensures that your furniture maintains a contemporary and polished appearance, contributing to the cohesive and upscale ambiance of your home. As we conclude our journey through the realm of interior design alchemy, remember that making your home look more expensive is not about extravagant spending. It's about mindful choices and creative ingenuity. Each trick unveiled in this guide contributes to the harmonious symphony of affordable luxury within your living space. Embrace these ideas, infuse your personal style, and witness the metamorphosis of your home into a haven of timeless elegance. With these 10 tricks up your sleeve, you have the power to turn every corner into a testament to refined taste and sophistication. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.